In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Upside app at gas stations. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step number one is download and set up the app. So go ahead and download and install the Upside app from either the Google Play Store or the App Store. And then you want to create an account and allow location access to view nearby offers. So from here, find and claim an offer. So open the app to browse available gas station offers in your vicinity. Select an offer that suits you and tap claim offer. As you can see on the right hand side, just go ahead and click on claim if you like an offer. Note, you typically have 4 hours to redeem the offer after claiming it, so keep that in mind. Then from here, check in at the station. So upon arrival at the selected gas station, open the app and tap check in. Then we want to go ahead and enter the first 6 and last 4 digits of the credit or debit card you plan to use for the purchase, and ensure you use this link card to pay for the fuel. Then we want to refuel and pay, so fill up your vehicle as per usual and then pay using the card you entered during the check-in process. Earn and redeem cashback. So after the transaction, Upside will process your purchase and credit your account with the cashback amount. Cashback typically appears within 24 to 48 hours. You can cash out your earnings via PayPal, direct bank deposit or digital gift cards once you reach the minimum threshold.